Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Creo tutorials how to blend rectangle to circle. I will create new part and you can choose top plan. Create sketch. I will go to sketch view, and for the first profile I will use a rectangle from a center rectangle. I will click from this point into here. Click OK. Now I will select again top plan, and then we create new plan. Can move to the top a bit like this. Click OK. Click sketch again, and in here I will create circle from this point into here. Click OK. Now before you use these blend tools, we need to divide the circles into 4 because rectangle has 4 sides. So you can right click on sketch and then choose edit definition. Use center line, and I will click from this corner point into here, again from this point into here. After it, use divide tools to divide these rectangles into 4. If you're done, click OK. After it, I will hide for plan. You can select all plan and then click at this icon to hide. The next, go to shape, click blend tools. Use select section, and for section 1 I will select this rectangle. The next section I will click at the circle. You can click it and then select this circle, so it will be automatically blend the rectangle into circle. If you want to twist, you can move from this point into here. It will be automatically twist the loop, and you can go back again by moving this point into here. If you're done, you can click OK. Okay, that's it for basic Creo tutorial, how to blend rectangle to circle. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.